How to withdraw cryptocurrencies on Kraken. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw cryptocurrencies on Kraken. First step is to open up any web browser and head over to kraken.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now on the home page, click Transfer Crypto on the left side of the screen. Then select the Withdraw tab. Here, using the drop-down menu, select the asset you want to withdraw. Kraken supports 200 assets. However, some assets such as Cody are only supported on the Ethereum network. Other assets such as USDC are supported on many networks, so you will need to select the network to withdraw your asset. Many crypto assets exist on different networks, so it is important to send the asset to a wallet that supports it. In this example, I will send the USDC using the Polygon network. Now, you want to add a withdrawal address to your Kraken account. Now, over here, you will need to enter the withdrawal address. For that, you can open up your wallet. Then, you will need to find the receiving address for the asset in your wallet. In the Assets menu, tap Manage. Then type the asset you want to send, in this case, USDC. Tap on the networks you want to have visible in your network. When ready, swipe down. Now tap on USDC on Polygon network. Then tap Receive. You will then get your cryptocurrency address in the Kraken wallet. Note that this USDC address is only for the Polygon network. Tap on the Copy option and then you can paste it into your Kraken account. Now, click on the Add Withdrawal Address option. Next, you will need to approve the withdrawal address by clicking on a link which is automatically sent to your email. Once the address is approved, you can enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, click on the Withdraw USDC option. Check the details properly before you click on the Confirm option. Once the withdrawal has been initiated, you can click on the Transactions tab and view the status. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.